Alrighty, got a short video on how to replace your cabin air filter. This is the part number. Pretty simple. For got a 05 Land Rover LR3. Pretty easy. All you do is take this glove box down. Got a bunch of stuff here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. There's a thing you pressed on here and it falls off. And then there's another one you squeeze. Boom. Right there. So you got all your fuses and stuff here. Oh yeah. Got a little tab right here. Just pull it off. Yep. The way you took it off, that's how you put it back in. And that's your old one. Just pull it out nice and slow because it's got a, I don't know how, when was the last time they changed this one? Oh yeah, I don't know when was the last time they changed this thing. It's horrible. So yeah, when you do, make sure the tabs are down. Stuff it in there. That's where you're gonna put it. Just stuff it in there and you're good to go. Oh yeah, just like that. Push it up in there. And you're golden. Then right here it's got a little tab you gotta put back in there. Just like that. Boom, you're done. Like I said, the glove box, you just pull it back up. And that's how you do it. Real quick and simple. Yeah, like I said, the air coming out of the AC was, it didn't smell bad or nothing. I just wanted to change it out because I don't really know when they changed it last. And as you can see, it was pretty dusty. So yeah, that's the part I used. Premium cabin air filter. Alrighty. Have a good one.